Is your body language sabotaging your English before you even speak? Let's unlock your confidence right now. Hit the like button and here we go.
Hey, Liam. Have you ever noticed that some people speak simple English but still sound fluent?
Yes. And most of the time, the difference is not vocabulary, but the way their body communicates confidence.
Wow, that's interesting. Because sometimes I know what to say, but I still feel uncomfortable speaking.
That happens to many learners because the body starts showing fear during the conversation.
What kind of fear signs do people show?
They tighten their shoulders, avoid eye contact, rush their sentences, freeze their hands, and react too fast.
Huh, now I understand why I feel nervous sometimes.
And that creates an impression of insecurity, even before the person finishes speaking.
So, people can notice nervousness immediately?
Yes, because communication is emotional and physical at the same time.
I always thought fluency was only about speaking fast.
Actually, speaking too fast often sounds nervous instead of fluent.
Wow, that's a completely different perspective.
Fluent speakers usually look relaxed because they feel comfortable interacting.
How can someone look more comfortable while speaking English?
The first secret is learning how to stop rushing your reactions.
Why do learners rush so much?
Because they think pausing makes them look insecure. So they rush, interrupt themselves, and answer too fast.
I do that during work meetings.
And after the conversation, you probably think, why was I so nervous?
Exactly.
Fluent speakers usually allow space before responding.
So pauses are not a bad thing?
Natural pauses actually make you sound calmer and more confident.
Interesting.
Before answering, inhale slowly. Relax your jaw, nod naturally, and then speak.
Just that?
Yes, because even a 1-second pause changes your entire presence.
Presence?
Presence is the feeling people get when you interact with them.
So body language changes how people experience our English?
Sure, because people don't only listen to your words.
They observe emotional control too, right?
Absolutely.
How can I practice this without feeling awkward?
Start with very small pauses in daily conversations.
Like what?
If someone asks, "How was your day?" don't react instantly.
What should I do instead?
Smile lightly, breathe, and answer calmly.
So slowing down actually helps fluency?
Sure.
And tell me, why do learners freeze physically?
Because they become too focused on saying everything correctly.
That's true, because I almost stop moving when I speak English.
Many learners keep their arms stiff or hide their hands unconsciously.
Does that affect fluency too?
Yes, because physical stiffness creates mental stiffness.
Interesting.
Native speakers naturally use small gestures while talking.
What kind of gestures?
Counting with fingers, open hand movements, reacting visually, and emphasizing ideas naturally.
I notice that in movies all the time.
That's because communication is physical.
I thought gestures were only personality traits.
Personality influences gestures, but movement also supports thinking.
Really?
Yes. When your body moves naturally, your thoughts usually flow more naturally too.
Wow, that explains why I sometimes feel frozen mentally.
A frozen body often creates frozen speech.
So, gestures help the brain organize ideas?
For sure. You can start with small movements close to your body.
Like open palms?
Yes. Open palms make you appear more relaxed and communicative.
What should learners avoid doing with their hands?
Avoid hiding them constantly or locking your arms tightly.
Why is that a problem?
Closed posture often communicates discomfort and fear.
So, open posture creates a better impression?
Yes, because it communicates emotional availability.
Emotional availability sounds important.
It is, because fluent speakers usually look comfortable being present with people.
Not just comfortable with English itself?
Absolutely. Communication is bigger than vocabulary.
Wow, that changes everything.
Good, because the next secret is one of the biggest hidden problems for learners.
Really?
Yes, your face often speaks before you do.
Wow.
Many learners have tense expressions without realizing it.
What kind of expressions?
Worried eyes, tight mouths, nervous smiles, and serious faces.
I probably look terrified while speaking English.
Many learners do because they're afraid of making mistakes.
So the face can communicate fear even when the English is correct?
Absolutely, because emotions are visible physically.
Interesting.
When someone looks tense, the conversation immediately feels heavier.
So how can learners relax their facial expressions?
Before speaking, soften your forehead and relax your mouth slightly.
That sounds simple.
Simple adjustments create huge emotional differences.
What about eye contact?
Maintain light and natural eye contact instead of staring or avoiding completely.
Sometimes I look away because I feel insecure.
That's common, but avoiding eye contact increases nervousness internally.
So, body language also affects our emotions?
Exactly. Communication works in both directions.
What is the final idea?
The first 10 seconds of a conversation usually control the emotional direction of your English.
Really?
Yes, because the beginning creates momentum inside your nervous system.
So, if I start nervous, everything becomes harder?
For sure, because your brain keeps accelerating emotionally.
That explains why bad starts affect my whole conversation.
Right, but calm beginnings create the opposite effect.
Interesting. And how can learners create calm beginnings?
Before speaking, lower your shoulders and breathe out slowly.
That already sounds relaxing.
Then, slow your first sentence down intentionally.
Why the first sentence specifically?
Because the first sentence tells your brain how safe the interaction is.
Wow.
If your first sentence feels rushed, your body stays tense.
And if it feels calm?
Your nervous system starts relaxing automatically.
That's powerful.
Also, maintain relaxed eye contact during the first moments.
I think many learners forget to breathe naturally.
Yes, because nervous people often hold tension in their chest and jaw.
So, confidence is partly physical?
Absolutely.
I always thought confident people were simply born that way.
Most confident communicators learned how to regulate tension.
That makes confidence feel more achievable.
Exactly.
Can these techniques help during professional conversations too?
They are extremely useful during meetings, interviews, presentations, and networking.
Wow. So sounding fluent is also about emotional comfort?
Exactly. Comfort creates connection.
what final advice would you give learners who feel insecure speaking English?
Stop trying to look perfect and start trying to feel present.
Wow.
Relax your shoulders, breathe slowly, move naturally, and allow yourself to interact comfortably.
That feels much more human.
Because communication is human.
I really loved this conversation.
I'm happy to hear that.
So, the real secret is not pretending to be fluent, but creating comfort inside the conversation.
Exactly. Because when your body feels safe, your English becomes smoother automatically.
That's such a powerful realization.
And the best part is that anyone can practice these habits daily.
I think many learners will feel more hopeful after hearing this.
And if you want to be one step ahead, you should watch the next video because we're going to talk about the missing piece in your English fluency.
What is the missing piece?
Let's find out together. See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.